Let me show you how to change the language from Chinese to English on your i12 wireless earphones. First, what you want to do is you want to make sure your case is on. So simply press it and you should see like a blue light. And also when you open, you should see that they are either charging or fully charged. So like red or blue light. So again, then what you have to do is actually these earphones have two different versions. On some of them you have to actually click 4 times, but on some of them 5 times to change the language. So simply try which works for you. So you'll take your earphone out, wait a bit, so you see it start to blink like this, and then again around this area tap either 4 or 5 times. So simply try which works for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, for example, and then place it inside here. Wait till the light appears that it's charging. Take out the next one. Okay. Again, let's again click 4 times, for example, on these ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. And place it back inside. And close the case. Next you want to wait maybe like 5 seconds, so wait a bit before opening it up. Okay. And then the next time you open it up and take it out, the language should be changed. So again, if it doesn't work with 4 times, try 5 taps instead. So again, you would take it out if it doesn't work with 4 and 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then again, place it inside and repeat it for the other one. So again, simply try which works for you. Again, they have different versions. Good luck.